Are you ready to unlock unlimited entertainment channels right from your Roku TV device today? Imagine accessing countless shows, movies, and sports at your fingertips with a simple IPTV solution. We'll show you an easy step-by-step guide to install IPTV on Roku in no time. First, ensure your Roku device is connected to the internet and ready for action. Access the Roku channel store and search for a simple IPTV installation guide. Once you locate the right guide, follow its instructions closely for a successful setup. Wondering about the best IPTV provider? We've got an excellent recommendation: 2tv.store. Why choose 2tv.store? Because it's reliable, user-friendly, and offers a vast channel selection. Let's continue with the IPTV installation process to complete your Roku entertainment setup. Install the IPTV app on your Roku and configure with the settings from 2tv.store. With just a few clicks, you're ready to discover a world of streaming options right on Roku. Experience exclusive shows, the latest movies, and live sports without any interruptions. Enjoy affordable, top-notch streaming content brought to you by 2tv.store on your Roku TV. Stay ahead in the entertainment game with a smooth, hassle-free IPTV experience. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to check out 2tv.store for all your IPTV needs. Subscribe for more innovative guides and streaming tips. See you soon in the next video.